This demo showcases Patronecs' internal tool created with Retool to address diverse employee challenges. Employees can easily generate specific tickets for office issues or needs, tracking their statuses on a convenient dashboard. Administrators gain a comprehensive view of open tickets, assigning them to different employees for resolution. Additionally, administrators can access key performance indicators to monitor and manage ticket statuses effectively. Retool is basically a visual development platform designed to accelerate the development of internal tools. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, pre-built UI components, and seamless connectors to popular databases and APIs, developers can efficiently craft custom tools without extensive coding, streamlining both time and resources. Let's move to the tool that we created using Retool. Let's sign up to create an account. This is the dashboard that an employee will see after login. Different KPIs for ticket statuses are shown here. But all these KPIs are for the tickets opened by the employee himself. Now let's move to the e-ticket portal where employee can add new tickets and can see KPIs of the tickets from all other members of the organization. But remember that he can only see KPIs, not all the tickets created by other team members. Here you can see the ticket opened by the employee himself. Now click here to open a new ticket. The employee will have only these 3 fields to open tickets, while admin will have some extra fields like assigning tickets to an employee, setting priority and deadline, etc. Now you can see here, a new ticket has been added. Select the ticket if you want to edit or delete it. Employee can also chat with other team members of the organization from here. You can also use different filters to search for a specific ticket. Just by clicking here, you can download an Excel sheet of your tickets. The sheet is downloaded now to the Downloads folder. Let's view. Here's the sheet. Now we'll log in as an admin. This is the dashboard that admin will see on login, where KPIs are displayed for tickets created by all the team members of the organization. Admin can search here for a specific ticket. And can also find tickets on a specific date from calendar filter. Admin can also use different filters here to find out specific tickets. Click here to download the sheet of tickets. Here's the downloaded sheet. Now let's move to the Team Members app, where the admin can see all the members of the organization and can also add new team members. Click here to add a new member. The dashboard is updated now. And here's the newly added team member. If you want to change the role of a member or edit details, then simply select it and click here. Here you can see the member is added as an employee now and KPIs are updated. You can also delete multiple items. Now let's move to the e-ticket dashboard, where admin can see KPIs for tickets created by all the members of the organization and can also add new tickets, edit and assign tickets to someone. Let's add a new ticket. You can now see that the dashboard has been updated after opening a new ticket. Here's the ticket that we just opened. Let's edit this ticket. You can also find the ticket's deadlines in the calendar here.
To avail our services or to discuss your next project, contact us on the following details.